It's not your manager's responsibility to develop your career. It's your responsibility. And I have said that always. I've said that from the beginning of time, well before AI, well before I joined tech. But what I'm also learning is a lot of younger talent doesn't also understand what that means. Almost have to guide them a little bit, give them examples, and then give them permission. I had a senior engineer come to me and say, hey, Sarika, I get what you're saying, but I think our younger talent don't understand that. So help them understand that. The organization should create psychologically safe environments for people to test and learn, because I think the best learning happens like in your day-to-day and the things that you're building and doing in your day-to-day. There's a place for us to build learning and development, like build bite-sized training that's specific to our company. There's a place for an LMS. There's a place for on the job. It's a multi sort of disciplinary approach. There's no one way to learn, and everybody learns differently. And so I think it's my responsibility as an HR executive to create an ecosystem or create a psychologically safe space for people to learn in the different ways that they desire. I want to make sure that we are creating space and time for people to be able to lean in and learn, and making sure that we have appropriate benefits, like having the professional development reimbursement benefit, and making sure that that benefit is as expansive and as inclusive as possible. I try not to put too many guardrails on that. So again, it's not just your company's responsibility. There's a shared responsibility across a multitude of stakeholders, and there's a lot of ways to learn, and there's a lot of ways to be curious and lean in. We also found that mandating doesn't work, but trying to find ways to inspire people to lean in and want to do these trainings and understand like the what's in it for me. What am I going to get out of this? Just connecting it back to like, well, this is what you asked for isn't going to be compelling enough. It really gets under my skin when everyone's like, it's not my responsibility, it's my company's responsibility, and they're not providing that. Well, no, it's yours. It's your career. You grow your career. And there's a multitude of ways to learn, especially now.